Did you know that AI-powered coding tools have saved developers an average of 70% of their coding time, allowing them to focus on higher-level tasks and increase productivity by 50%? However, most of these tools are complex and difficult to use, requiring extensive training and setup. What if I told you about a game-changing tool called Claude Code that can code for you? By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create custom AI code models in under 30 minutes using this powerful tool. Claude Code is a developer tool that utilizes AI to generate code based on a user's instructions. This means that with Claude Code, you can automate repetitive tasks, reduce coding time, and increase productivity. To start using Claude Code, you'll need to sign up for an account on their official website. Click on the Sign Up button in the top right corner of the page and enter your email address and password. You can also integrate Claude Code with popular development platforms like GitHub and GitLab. Once you've created an account,